Hi traders, today is 18th of July 2019. We are now live for crude oil futures market. Today we just changed to a new contract CLU 2019. So this means September contract. So in this video you will see how I did scalp for crude oil market on daily basis during US session. So at this moment we are 10:33 p.m. my local time, and New York time is 10:33 a.m. in the morning. So throughout this video I will show you how I did scalp every day with the same technique, and we target around 100 to 200 US dollar per day. That's how it is done. Hoping for a quick entry. So at this moment queuing short sell at 55.81. So let's take a look on the volume. That's what we are going to do. So there's a high number waiting at 55.80. This looks interesting. Could be the similar entry as mine. And there's a high volume on the next level is 55.68, and I will exit at 55.49. So the stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, so as you can see in my screen now, I have profit from London sessions. So I have long on the September contract earlier during London session. You can see there's a marking here, which is I buy, then I sold here. So if you follow my Telegram channel, free for London session signal, so this is my entry. So I have gained around 280 US dollar. And for CLQ for August contract, I'm still trading on the short sell just now at somewhere here, and I close it. It's a long candle here, it's quite good, so it's a huge profit of 370. So now I'm trading for US session. I'm expecting for short sell at 55.81, and we'll go for a quick recovery of 55.49. So let's take a look whether I'm succeed or not. So I have earned two profit. This is the first one, second one, and this is the third one. The most video I recorded daily is my third day trade strategy for US session in crude oil market. So some people call it WTI crude oil market. So this is the third entry for today. So this is the one I always record and publish in this channel. So feel free to subscribe this channel, and also like and share or comment if you like. And there's also a description area, there is a lot of useful links, so please free to join any of the signal or to buy my courses. Okay, so this is my own technique which I invented years ago, has been fully success so far. Okay, we are in the market, we are already in for 55.81 short sell, so it looks good at this moment and it goes very fast. So let's take a look. Okay, here is 40. You can watch here as well. You can watch my profit here and also here. This is the one is current, and because I have another position, so you will see it like a mix total. So we are now two ticks, 20 US dollar. So I just trade one position only because I have entered two position. So now it's minus 10, minus 20, you can see. So let's take a look on the volume. It's still interesting on the downside. Yes, we have 55.70, also 55.68. So it's quite interesting because two highest volume not far from each other, and then another high volume at 55.60, so 122 queuing. It's somewhere here, so this could be a huge one, could be a major drop tonight. So let's wait and see. This is where I will exit my position at 55.49. So guys, if you're watching this video, this is time frame 50 minutes, and I do this every day at around 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, so far let's take a look on the result. So I have maintained today is a winning day, so should be around 67% winning day. So for the past week, this one recorded for the past week and this week, so you can see it's quite huge. There's a surplus, but the rest is profit. 600, 500 US dollar, 132, 370, and yesterday a slight loss of minus 98 after a profit of 256. So for both weeks we have a profit around 1400. If you including today, should be around 1900 US dollar. So the thing is it's quite a constant profit for US session. So the time we are in the market also is very quick. So you can see the quickest time is always US session, and the longest time like this 1 hour and 5 minutes is the strategy I made for London session. Okay, so far looks good. We are 100 tick at this moment, 120 tick, 130. I think I will exit. Should be enough because I reached my target already. So let's exit then. 100 US dollar profit. So in total we have both 370 and 370 on short. For CLU is 370 as well for long and short position. Okay, now it's keep dropping. So my previous target is 55.49, somewhere here. So I exit my position just now with a profit of 120. So let's take a look. My local time is 12 hour ahead of New York time. So now is 22:36, which is 10:36 p.m. This is where I short my position. So within 3 minutes I earn around let's go into the detail. 55.81, then I exit at 55.69. So should be around 120 US dollar. Should be around 120 US dollar in 3 minutes. Let's take a look on the position. If I manage to see it, we'll go into detail. How to see this one? Not sure. Okay, never mind. But the profit just now is 280. So it's 110, around 110, 120 US dollar in profit, I think. So I will keep this video recorded because there is still interesting volume at 55.50. If you are watching this video since the beginning, have Q at 55.49, which is a quite interesting area that the price will go. Okay, we are now on the second candle. So yeah, like I said, we'll go for a quick one, 120 US dollar or 130 US dollar scalping daily. But the main target for today is 55.49, which I already exit because I have made a lot of position today. So one position 370, this one position is 280. If you watch this video earlier, is 280, and then the second one position is during US session, which I short sell here and a quick TP in 3 minutes, 130 US dollar. So this is how we do it. So I will keep this video live recorded until it reach the target, because it will not miss the target, because daily day trade activity for WTI crude oil during US session is quite precise on my strategy, and so far looks good. The winning rate is quite high, and we see now 55.57. If you watch one video at the beginning, I have mentioned the target is 55.49. So let's take a look. Oh, there's a good volume at 55.50. This now is moving. It's moving now. it's quite fast, so it will explode downwards, then reverse back. So you need to be careful if you are still trading live with me. So you have to make a play safe area at 55.67, just in case if the price move back. So hopefully, there's a high volume waiting at 55.28. It's quite interesting. Yes, correct. 55.28, $134, but we will not go that far, because every day I'm targeting around 20 ticks or 30 ticks, which is around $300 or $200 in profit for one position size. So could be later we might enter to position size, then might have a better profit of doubling the profit. But no need to be greedy, because you can do this every day. There's also high volume waiting at 55.40. The target is 55.49, which is just below this high level of volume waiting to buy at 55.50. So we'll take a look. It will take some time, but after all, I have as in my positions. Now my profit for this week and last week is 2000. Okay, and this is very interesting. More larger volume waiting at the downside. First is price level at 55.50, 111, 55.40, 112. So there should be one more position down there with a higher volume waiting to buy. So this is quite creating a demand for the market to go for the deep down. And let's take a look on the upper side. So there's a high volume as well waiting, 55.90, 125. Other than that, 55.80, which is around our entry for short sell just now. Maybe they miss it, or they try to take it on the reverse and try to reshort again. Okay, so for now, I don't hold any position. I have exited my positions, and I just keep recording this because the target is 55.49. So I will prove till the end of the video where my TP actually is. The reason I out of from the market, because I have made enough profit since London session. So this is my entry during London session, and also the other one for short sell in different contract size, CLQ. So for tonight, I short during US session and just make it around 3 minutes to the profit. So we almost there, not far, around 90 to reach this 55.49. So let me enlarge it so you can see. This is my target earlier, somewhere here. This will be an interesting one because the market's on the major sell down. I'm not sure what happened to the news or anything or someone Twitter, but the target is to trade during US session on a quick scalping strategy. Target is around 200 to 300 if you are trading one contract lot size. If you're trading two contract lot size, it will double up your profit for daily. So I will put my trading setup link down there as an online course. Maybe it's not finished yet. Maybe from September onwards we will be ready. So stay tuned. We'll see the market first for tonight. Now it's 55.62. It will go much more faster in a few minutes because we are reaching around 11 a.m. New York time. So my local time is PM. So we are 12 hours time different. That's why I have advantage to trade during Asia session, London session, and also US sessions. Now the price did move fast. Let's see, there's a two price level waiting at 55.50, 55.51. Two price level waiting very high at 110, 103, 107, 105, 102, and also 106 at 55.45. So this is quite interesting level. 55.50 we can ignore it because it's quite typical price level which has a lot of volume waiting. 55.50, 55.00 or 56.00 or 56.50. That's quite typical numbers or price level that the market will the volume will control. So now the price reverse back. about 10 ticks above. So let's be careful. If the price return back, then I suggest to you guys to exit at profit at 75, which is still profiting. But no matter what, maybe within 1 hour it will go to this 55.49. That's the target. No matter what, there's still high volume waiting at 55.45 and 45.40. So just take a look on this dome. You can see clearly there's a high volume waiting at 55.45 and 55.40. Do you know why? Quite interesting, huh? I've traded for 9 years, so all this volume is quite important to know where the market is going. So could be a big player, could be someone with a big pocket, deep pocket, could be. But at this moment, it looks interesting. My target is 55.49, which is around few ticks above this higher Q level. So 55.49 is the best exit at this moment. So here we go again. Let's take a look. It's mostly profit taking activity for the small traders, retail traders, because they already earn more than 200 US dollars. If you enter the same as mine at 55.81, so it should be around now is 32 ticks, 24 ticks, which is around 250 US dollar, quarter thousand for for few minutes job. So it's quite easy. You can do it every day for sure. Okay, I keep posted all of my video online, so feel free to watch this channel and subscribe this channel. There's also playlist. You can keep watching all my video. If I have enough time, I will record it live. If not, then I just trade as normal, then I publish the result. So we're still waiting for the price to reach 55.49. As I promised you, that's the initial target, but already exit my position because the profit is enough. I have profit enough for today. That's a lot already. Here we go again. Now we are entering a new candle. So this is the first, second, and third candle after my entry is somewhere here at 55.81. You can rewatch this video what I mentioned earlier, so how I did trade, but already escaped earlier because of the profit is good enough for me today. So still the target is 55.49. So just take a look. Market now is 55.52. 3 more ticks. Let's take a look. Will it hit? Okay, not yet. The lowest it go is 55.50. And still there is a high volume waiting at 55.49. I'm sure we'll hit 55.49. Almost there. But if you profit now, we entering at 81, you already got around 300 US dollar in profit. Good enough, right? This is a day trade for US session. Okay, now 55.51. 2 more ticks, 3 more ticks. Okay, now profit taking activity on the small retailer trader. Okay, but most people will like to sell at this moment. Oh, just nearby. It's quite volatile. You can see how the numbers are moving and the Q okay, adding up or reduce down. Okay, almost there. Still 50. Okay, okay, we hit. Now we hit. Now it will go further down at 455.45, as I mentioned just now. High volume waiting here at 165. Okay, I think that's enough for today. So I just proved my point. It's my entry. The signal appeared at 51.81, so the exit is here. But I already exit much more earlier because my profit is enough. A lot of profit today. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.